I'm Ricky.
And I'm Nicolette.
And we both go to Wagner High School in Staten Island, New York. We both take biology because we're freshmen. We entered the Google Science Fair project because our biology teacher told us that it would boost up our grade, and we're interested in winning.
The problem we are trying to figure out is, how does friction occur?
We believe that once the surroundings get more dense, friction will occur.
So we researched experiments that would represent and show how friction occurs, and we found a project that involves a jar of rice and a pencil.
Basically, the overall goal of the project is that if you can create enough friction in the jar of rice with the pencil, that single pencil will be able to pick up the jar of rice. The procedure of the project is basically just putting rice into a jar, sticking a pencil in it, and pulling it in and out. After enough tries of that, you can almost feel the rice closing in around the pencil, and then you'll be able to pick up the jar of rice with that one pencil. Observations were that we were able to create density by moving the pencil up and down. The jar was lifted because of friction. Now we tested this out on a jar of coins, and it shows that it can't be because the space is too open, and there's a lot of open spaces, so friction couldn't be created. Based on the data we received, the amount of friction depends on two factors: the kinds of surfaces touching each other and the amount of force pressing the surface together. Since the rice was in a closed area where it was tightly packed together, density was created, which is what caused the pencil to be able to pick up the jar. The coins were unable to do the same because of the many different sizes and the actual shape of the object. The coins had many open spaces, and the pencil had absolutely no way to pick it up because density could not be made.
The reason why the rice was able to be picked up was because when two surfaces are uneven, they are able to form different patterns that are always packed together, causing friction.